welcome change and openness, for we believe that freedom and security go together. There is one sign the Soviets can make that would be unmistakable. Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
We've been traveling far, without a home, but not without a star. Free, only want to be free. We're huddled close, hang on to a dream. On the boats and on the planes, coming to America, never looking back again. They're coming to America. Oh, don't it seem so far away? We're traveling light today, in the eye of the storm, in the eye of the storm. Home to a new and a shining place. Make our bed would say our grace. Freedom's like burning warm. Freedom's like burning warm. They're coming to America today. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, of thee I sing today.
Terrorist attacks can shake the foundations of our biggest buildings, but they cannot touch the foundation of America. These acts shatter steel, but they cannot dent the steel of American resolve. America was targeted for attack because we're the brightest beacon for freedom and opportunity in the world, and no one will keep that light from shining. None of us will ever forget this day, yet we go forward to defend freedom and all that is good and just in our world.
Where were you when the world stopped turning?